Some European SUVs cost over $55,000, yet many start showing problems before 40,000 miles. Hidden electrical failures, repairs that reach $3,000 in a single visit, and reliability scores dropping year after year. Today, we compare the 3 weakest European SUVs against 3 American models built to survive 200,000 miles. Even the Toyota Sequoia, designed and built in Texas, stands here as one of America's toughest giants. This is not about style, this is about survival, what keeps going, and what falls apart long before it should. Stay till the end. The final comparison may change what you drive next. Mercedes-Benz GLC, a luxury SUV that hides problems beneath its polished surface. The GLC delivers respectable power. Most trims use a turbo 4-cylinder with 255 horsepower. Torque sits at 273 pound-feet. Acceleration to 60 hovers around 6.1 seconds. The 9-speed automatic shifts smoothly in calm driving. Fuel economy stays between 24 and 28 miles per gallon. But under pressure, the GLC changes. Throttle response varies. The transmission hesitates before choosing a gear. Numbers look good. Real-world behavior does not. This is where the trouble begins. The GLC suffers from frequent electronic issues. Owners report sensors malfunctioning, dash warnings, camera failures, and mild hybrid models rely on a 48-volt system. That adds another layer of risk. Repairs range from $1,200 to $2,000. Software updates fix some problems, not all. Annual maintenance often exceeds $1,000. Unexpected repairs appear early, too early for this price. From the outside, the GLC looks refined. Crisp LED lights, clean surfaces, a premium silhouette. But durability is limited. Front sensors behind the emblem lose calibration. Lower bumper pieces crack under light impacts. Daily use reveals weaknesses that photos hide. Inside, the GLC feels upscale. Soft materials, ambient lighting, large screens, comfortable seats, but touch controls fail more often than physical buttons. MBUX can lag, freeze, or reboot. Climate settings buried in menus slow down simple adjustments. Storage space is limited, and rattles appear as the SUV ages. Style is strong. Durability is not. Verdict: the GLC promises luxury, but reliability concerns make ownership risky. Repairs add up fast. Electronic faults add even more. Volvo XC60, a calm Scandinavian SUV that hides problems owners rarely expect. The XC60 aims for smooth, controlled movement. Most trims use a 247 horsepower turbo engine. Stronger versions reach over 300 horsepower. 0 to 60 sits near 6 seconds. The 8-speed automatic feels gentle. Steering is light. Fuel economy ranges from 23 to 28 miles per gallon. But the XC60 lacks confidence. Throttle response lags. The engine strains on steep climbs. The gearbox hesitates under quick acceleration. And this is the core issue. Turbochargers on several engines wear faster than expected. Some fail before 70,000 miles. Repairs cost $2,000 to $3,500. Owners also report oil leaks, electronic module glitches, parking sensor failures, suspension noises, and occasional screen blackouts. Volvo's safety software is advanced but sensitive. One module fails, then multiple warnings follow. Service times are long, parts are expensive. Long-term surveys place the XC60 below the segment average. The styling is clean and Scandinavian. Sharp headlights, a tall grille. Simple body lines, a modern light signature, but durability is not part of the design. Front radar sensors lose calibration after minor impacts. Lower bumper pieces wear quickly. Inside, the XC60 feels warm and inviting. Seats are among the best in the class. Materials look refined. Noise levels stay low, but the Sensus system is slow. It freezes during navigation. Some screens reboot without warning. Climate controls trapped in the touchscreen frustrate drivers. Other issues appear with time-up panel vibrations, limited storage leatherware, and inconsistent wireless charging. The cabin starts strong, but long-term polish fades quickly. Verdict: comfortable, stylish, but risky as a long-term SUV. Turbo failures and electronic faults make ownership expensive. Peugeot 5008. A stylish family SUV with hidden costs most owners never see coming. The Peugeot 5008 feels light and efficient. Its 1.6-liter turbo makes around 180 horsepower. 0 to 60 takes about 8.5 seconds. The EAT8 transmission shifts smoothly at low speeds. Fuel economy stays around 30 to 35 miles per gallon, but the engine struggles when pushed. It loses momentum on steep climbs. The gearbox hesitates in sudden acceleration, and the small turbo works near its limit during long highway drives. Daily commuting feels fine. Heavy use exposes its limits, and the real problems go deeper. PureTech engines are known for timing belt degradation. Some belts fail before 60,000 miles. Repairs cost $3,000 to $5,000. EAT 8 issues appear too. Delayed shifts, warning messages, harsh downshifts, and occasional power loss. Electrical faults add more frustration. Clusters freeze. Sensors misread obstacles. Random warnings interrupt normal driving. Mileage rises, predictability drops. Costs rise even faster. The 5008 has confident styling, distinctive rear lights, clean lines, a modern stance, but durability falls short. Front radar units lose calibration. Lower bumpers crack easily. Inside, the 5008 feels futuristic. The iCockpit catches the eye. The small steering wheel feels sporty. Seats are comfortable, the cabin stays quiet, but the wheel blocks the gauge cluster for many drivers. The screen freezes. Piano switches look good but feel flimsy. Materials wear early. Door panels rattle, and climate control requires multiple taps. Verdict: stylish, efficient, but expensive to keep. Timing belt failures, transmission issues, and electrical faults make the 5008 one of Europe's costliest family SUVs. Europe offers style, not long life. Now we move to the opposite. 3 American SUVs built for hard roads, heavy loads, and 200,000-mile endurance. Toyota Sequoia, a giant SUV engineered with old-school strength. The Sequoia is built for power. Its 5.7-liter V8 makes 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 takes around 6.6 seconds. The 6-speed automatic is simple and durable. No fragile dual clutches, no tiny turbos, just a heavy engine built for long life. Towing exceeds 7,000 pounds. The engine pulls with steady force. Heat, cold, heavy load, it performs the same. This is why it stands apart. Many Sequoias pass 300,000 miles. Some reach 400,000 in fleet use. Strength comes from overbuilt engines, long-lasting transmissions, robust cooling, and minimal electronics. Yearly repair costs stay between $650 and $900. The Sequoia is engineered and built in Texas for American conditions, for long life. The design is massive and unapologetic. Tall stance, wide body, a huge grille, thick panels, high clearance. Nothing delicate, nothing fragile. Inside, the Sequoia stays simple. Big seats, physical controls, solid knobs, durable materials, huge cargo space, strong visibility. It is not a luxury lounge. It is built to last longer than most luxury cabins ever will. The price is high, fuel use is high, but long-term savings are real. Avoiding the repair cycles of fragile SUVs saves thousands. One of the most durable full-size SUVs in America, Dodge Durango. A muscular SUV built for power and real-world toughness. The Durango delivers serious force. The 3.6 V6 makes 295 horsepower. The 5.7 Hemi makes 360. 0 to 60 ranges from 6.2 to 7.4 seconds. The 8-speed automatic feels confident. Towing reaches 7,400 pounds. The engines are proven. The 3.6 reaches 200,000 miles. The Hemi goes even further. Strength comes from robust drivetrain parts, reliable cooling, predictable electronics, and durable transmissions. Minor issues appear. Bushings wear, some accessories fail, but repairs remain affordable. Yearly costs stay between $550 and $850. The design is bold and aggressive. Wide stance, sharp hood lines, low headlights, muscle car attitude. Inside, the Durango feels driver-focused. Supportive seats, strong visibility. Uconnect that works without freezing. Usable third row, good cargo space, durable materials. It is not delicate, it is built for pressure. Verdict: muscle, towing, durability, a long-term American workhorse. GMC Yukon. A full-size SUV built for high mileage and real-duty cycles. The Yukon delivers steady power. Most trims use a 5.3-liter V8 with 355 horsepower. Upper trims use a 6.2 with 420. 0 to 60 takes 6.5 to 7.2 seconds. The 10-speed shifts smoothly. Power delivery is predictable. Highway control is excellent. Towing reaches 8,000 pounds. Long-term endurance built its reputation. Many units pass 200,000 miles. Fleet models pass 300,000. Strength comes from durable engines, long-lasting transmissions, strong cooling, and reliable electronics. Yearly repairs average $700 to $900. Minor issues appear, aging suspension, occasional modules. But costs stay predictable. The Yukon looks authoritative. Tall stance, big grille, squared lights, thick panels, strong bumpers. Inside, it is spacious and straightforward. Wide seats, tall visibility, responsive infotainment. Massive cargo room, wear-resistant materials. It is built for long schedules and long roads. A professional-grade SUV, trusted by fleets and built for long service life. These 6 SUVs tell a simple story. Some fail fast, some refuse to die. Choose right and you save thousands. Choose wrong and you pay for years. If you want more truth like this, stay with us. Subscribe to Gastail. The next video might save you from your most expensive mistake.